Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm super excited to announce that Anki has teamed up with Conflicts to go ahead and give away a free Cozmo. That's right, a free Cozmo. Now, the rules are quite simple. The first thing you want to do is click the subscribe button. Secondly, you want to go ahead and like this video. And then third, go ahead and comment down below why you think you should win. Or you can go ahead and comment on how you would actually program Cozmo using the Cozmo Coding Lab. Now lastly, I want you to go ahead and share it with your friends, as it increases your odds of winning. Now, do note, you can go ahead and follow Anki as well, in which they're having their own competition for the ultimate Cozmo package. So be sure to check them out. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. And do note that we're going to go ahead and pick a winner in 2 weeks. And it's only 1 entry per person. So be sure to comment down below soon. Take care. Bye-bye.